Let's go to the garden. Let's go see what's in the garden. You want to go see what's in the garden? I know you can see the garden from where you're sitting, but let's go and see. Let's go in the garden and pick.
Can I make a commercial? My own commercial?
No.
Why not?
No. Alright guys, so like I've said before, once our tomatoes start getting ripe like this, we take them off just because we're not out here all the time. So the birds like to fly overhead and get in here and eat my tomatoes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pinch. Get these off. That was leave out that collard, Ma. Now let me find a bucket. Yes, babe. Alright, y'all, so my cucumbers are almost done. There's not too much left. Too many left, anyways. Well, you can actually start to see my little green tomato plant. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all it for right now. That's all the cucumbers. Now I know there's not any squash because I went through it yesterday when we did our weeding and grass cutting video. And if you have not seen that, I will link that up here somewhere. But anyways, I know there's no squash because I went through and a lot of it was just overloaded and the squash plants couldn't really breathe. These are really the only squash plants that I have left. Everywhere else, they have already been gone. They're over there in a pile. I don't care. So this is pretty much it for this area. We're gonna go around and we're gonna go pick some beans. Can I ask, what are you doing in the driver's seat? Let me go get your keys out.
Get Mama the keys.
Give me the keys. Yes, please. Give me these keys. I'm gonna tickle you to death. Give me the keys. Alright guys, this is our wall of beans. It goes from this corner, a little bit around this corner, all the way down. This is our 50-foot side. So, and there is a lot of beans. Like, we just picked beans off of here 2 days ago, and there is still a buttload more. So we're gonna pick again, and we're gonna show y'all what we get in one picking.
No.
Alright, babe. Picking again.
Yeah, y'all, this is my job pretty much, picking these beans.
Don't get stung like you did the other day.
Yeah.
There's one to the left of that T-post a little bit. Like 4 squares right there. There's one closer to the T-post. Yep, go ahead. Every time I get near these things, it feels like daggum stuff's just falling all over. Yeah.
I am done beans.
Yeah.
How many you got left?
I don't know. The inside.
What?
The inside.
Okay.
Alright, we gotta go on the inside now.
A lot of them down at the bottom when we get down there.
On the inside?
Or it's thicker, yeah.
That's just from the water. I'm doing that, babe. I want to thank everyone for watching, and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Please continue to watch our content. And I just wanted to say, may God bless you like He has blessed us, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
See y'all, have a good one.